everyone, let's talk today about our heart chakra, and it's a really interesting topic, and I'm kind of working on this new information for me. So let's talk about that. Heart chakra obviously located near our heart, and it's about our feeling, not feeling coming from the tactility, but feeling coming from love, compassion, feeling the connection with any other life and not alive creatures. It's about something that more than us, because now we are going and talking about the heart chakras, and usually it is green color chakra. I believe you see my painting over there. This is Anahata Chakra, and if you wanna learn how to paint this with me, in description link to my another channel where I'm creating now tutorials how to paint it, and really meditative practice for me. So I want to share this with you. So let's talk about that. Our Anahata Chakra, as I said, connecting us with another everything that's alive, but not from the perspective using or be part of this, but from the creating of perspective our connections with everything that's alive. So when we're in love with somebody, or when you're feeling this love like a parent to your kid, or like when you just love your animals, you are feeling something else than just connection. This is part of the planet. Like you can see this, you can feel it inside of your heart. So really interesting chakra and really important one. And in our modern society, unfortunately, this is kind of not in trend to be Anahata person, be a heart chakra person, because it's kind of really difficult to feel everything that's happening. But at the same time, this is so great that we can feel each other, that we can feel each other's pain, each other's happiness, love, compassion, and so on. It's really given like another perspective of understanding how we live and the purpose of our lives, at least from my perspective. And at this point, I find it interesting some information that a lot of sources, maybe not a lot, but some sources, talking about the low and high Anahata Chakra. And there are different perspectives and understandings of this. So this video, I will try to cover both of these. So at the beginning, how I learned this Anahata Chakra, that we got different energies on our Anahata, that we are feeling to somebody that's smaller than us, to the kids, to the animals, to the something cute, as we can see. But a higher part of this chakra is talking about to love, to feel this connection and feeling excitement and feeling this something that's bigger than us, connection with the world from our 3D physical body, but feeling that it's actually bigger than we are. So this is how I learned, and quite some time ago I find out that there are some kind of understanding actually these separate chakras, and I'm working now for like to say, is it true for me, or this is still one chakra, but maybe it's still two, like close enough connecting to each other. And higher, and from this perspective, a low heart chakra, it is green, and higher chakra is pink with aquamarine with gold notes. So I created my feeling about that on my other channel, Artful Soul, Soulful Art Thoughts. As I said in the description link, you can see, you can find out. But I'm coming from the understanding that actually something exists like that. So there are kind of different concentration of this energy that we are still talking, even if we are talking about one chakra. So I leave it for you, for your understanding, for your maybe exploring how it is for you, because it's kind of still coming from our understanding, our personal feeling. So how to work with Anahata Chakra. And meditation is really the most important work. We are talking about higher chakras. And meditation about our connection with everything that's life. This means the most important, the most basic one. Really important to separate yourself, your heart, from your emotions, and I believe this kind of meditation also really helpful. One of the most interesting tools how to work with this is our breathing. So different breathing techniques will be really helpful for you. So Anulom Viloma, Kapalabhati, Apalabhati, so a lot of just full breathing really will help you to start to work with your heart chakra. Colors, as I said, green color, pinkish color, aquamarine. So all these palettes will be really helpful for you to get this more energy from outside. Also, a lot of different stones. The most classic, I believe, is rose quartz will be, but again, as I said previous video, check it out, because for you maybe another stone will work better, because again our chakras all connected different ways. We are not existing only in one chakra at one moment. All our chakras working all together in our body. So it's kind of for you to go to the shop, to go to the place with 5 stone and just take it in your hand and feel the energy and choose yourself what exactly working for you. Food. When I'm talking about higher chakras, it's kind of already not about the food, but I definitely will recommend to eat green food, green and pink if you want something. So again, I'm talking about something natural, not about the chemicals. So maybe will be green will be easier to find than something pink, but it's definitely fruits and berries, I think, the most kind of giving you this energy of Anahata or helping to work with this energy. And as I said, one of the important tools that you can add to your practice to breathing techniques and meditation. Meditation on your feeling, on not getting red, on letting your feelings flow, letting your heart to feel everything that's happening without any judgment. Meditation to connection with everything that's alive, not only what you like, but actually what you don't like too, because we are part of one source. All this kind of practice will help you to work with your Anahata Chakra. So hope you enjoy this message and see you next one.